Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Law of Attraction, we will discuss a very important topic called how to control the mind and the body. The mind and the body has to synchronize together to achieve what you want to achieve in your life, and how you can control the mind and the body, and what are the techniques that are available for us. Let's check them out. Law of Attraction, the power of mind. The power of mind is the most important fundamental factor in achieving your goals, your dreams, your objectives of your life. Mind power is based on the logic and the reasoning. You are attracting whatever is going on in your mind. The mind works like a magnet. If you attract anything you want to attract in your life, it starts from your mind. Your mind, whatever is focused on, if you're thinking something, that is precisely what you're going to attract in your life. So it has the reasoning and the logic, and you are attracting what is going in your mind right now, and that is how the law of attraction works. The universe is not punishing you or blessing you. It is not. The universe is not punishing you or blessing you. The universe is actually responding to you with what you have in your mind. It could be positive, it could be negative. If the universe is punishing you because a lot of negativity is happening in your mind, if the universe is blessing you because a lot of positive things are happening in your life, positive thoughts are there in your mind. So the universe is not blessing you or punishing you because you have certain things. It is negativity or positivity. It is based on how the world or the universe is responding to you. The universe is responding to your vibrational attitude that your mind is emanating. The vibrational attitude, what are the thoughts that are running in your mind? The universe is basically attracting you towards it. If you have a lot of positivity, a lot of wealth, lot of happiness, lot of joy, that is what is attracting to you. The universe will respond to it. If you have a lot of gloom, lot of frustration, lot of agony, lot of negativity, that is what you will get from your life. So what is there in your mind is what you will get, and that is what you will be attracting in your life. Whatever you focus on, think about intensely, you are going to attract more of it in your life. Whatever you focus on or think about intensely, if you think about certain things intensely in your mind, you are definitely going to attract to it. It will definitely happen in your life. So whatever you think intensely, that has to be positive thing, that has to be of joy, that has to be of happiness, that has to be of a lot of wealth, a good health, and that is what, if you have those thoughts intensely in your mind, and that is precisely what you are going to get in your life. Your current reality or your current life is a result of the thoughts you have been thinking. Whatever I am living today, whatever I am living right now, the thoughts right now, the current thoughts right now is the result of what is there in my mind, and that is how actually it works. All of that will totally change as you begin to change your thoughts and your feeling. The moment you change in your mind from negativity to positivity, you are going to attract more of positivity in your life. The more the subconscious mind is filled with the positive thoughts, life will start changing for you. Your mind is like a transmission tower transmitting frequency with your thoughts. You have seen that transmission towers of the cell phones or the mobile phones. When you switch on your mobile phone, when you make a call, the signals are sent to the tower. From the tower, it actually relays back to the number you have dialed, and that is precisely how your mind works. Your mind is like a transmission tower transmitting a frequency with your thoughts. That is how actually it works. It is like a transmitting tower. It is transmitting whatever you have in your mind to how your life is responding to it. If you have thoughts the positive thoughts, the positive frequency will be spread all around. The more the positive frequency, the more the positivity in your life. So your mind works like a transmission tower. If you want to change anything in life, change the frequency by changing your thoughts. Let us give me an example. If you're listening to a radio, an FM channel, if you're playing music, that is actually coming from a particular frequency. The music is relayed to you from a particular frequency. What you do is you change the frequency, you will get news. If you change the frequency again, you will change a movie. You will come to listening to a song. If you change again, you will come to an entertainment channel. So every time you actually change the frequency, a new thing is actually showing up or popping out from the FM radio. Exactly the same way, you have to change the frequency of your mind from the negative to the positive, and positive things will start happening in your life. This is actually the power of mind, how the mind actually works, and this is what you need to do and implement by changing your mind from negativity to your positivity, because whatever is there in your mind, you are going to attract more of it. Law of attraction and the body. Let's check out the body part of it. Body reacts with how mind operates. The way your mind operates, whatever the thoughts that are running in your mind, the body will respond to it instantly and immediately. If it is positivity, more energy in your body. If there is negativity, body will be low in reacting to it. Optimism in mind reflects in optimism in body. The more the optimism in your mind, the more the optimism in your body. The body will spring up like anything if you have positive thoughts in your mind. Show happiness, optimism in your body. The more the happiness in your mind, the more the body will actually help you in responding to the thoughts that are happening in your mind. The more the optimism in your mind, the more the optimism in your body, because the mind reacts, the body reacts to what is there in the mind. The body is basically responding to what are the thoughts that are running in your mind right now, and that is how actually the mind and the body works together. If you have a lot of frustration, agony and negativity, the body will react to it in a similar fashion. But the more the happiness, the joy, the energy, the positivity in your mind, the body will react to it immediately as it is. When body, mind and soul become one, things will start happening. The more the positive thoughts, the more the positivity in your energy in your body, the more all of them are synchronized together, then things will definitely start happening in your life. And that is how actually the mind and the body work together in synchronize. The mind and body now, we all work with one infinite power. The power is actually the manifestation of your desires, of your goals and of your objectives, what you want in life, and that is actually the infinite power. Whatever is going in your mind, you are attracting it. The more what you have in your mind, the more you are attracting to it. Every thought has a frequency. Thoughts send energy to the body. You have certain thoughts in your mind, and those thoughts are basically sending the energy to the body. The more the positive thoughts, the more the energy to the body. The body magnetically reacts to your thoughts you have in your mind. We have seen that the more the positivity, the more the optimism you have in your mind, the body will respond to it automatically. Everything you have in your mind, body is attracted to it and accept it. The more you have acceptance in your life, everything your mind and body attracted is true, because they both are synchronized together, and you have to accept it and show gratitude to what you already have in your life. It is not a wishful thinking. It is Absolutely not wishful thinking, because the mind has certain thoughts and the body is reacting to it. When these two actually work together, things will happen, and it is not wishful thinking. Choose your thoughts carefully, because you are the master of your life. Your mind belongs to you. If you have certain thoughts in your life, choose your thoughts carefully. What you have in your thoughts, what you have in your mind, that is how your body will react to it, and that is how the body and your mind will work together with what you get in your life. So your thoughts have to be very, very important, very clear and very positive. Choose your thoughts very, very carefully. The mind, the body and the action, when these two work together, what is the action that you will get? Only your thoughts in your mind determine your life. What you have in your mind is what is going to determine in your life. And body magnetically reacts to your thoughts in mind into action. If you think about something, the body will react it accordingly. When these two meet together, thoughts in mind plus body actions is equal to what you get in a life. Put in your mind that I am going to get a lot of wealth in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year, and this is what I am going to do. When you put that in your mind, the body will immediately react to it. When because of you have certain positive thoughts in your mind, body will react to it. When these two actually come together is what you will get in your life, because what you are thinking is what you are acting with your body. And this is how the mind and the body work together. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is law of attraction, the power of mind, law of attraction, the body, the mind and the body, and mind, body and action. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.